Hey guys, how's it going? Today Aaron and I are putting up the last of the Christmas lights outside on that blue spruce right there. When we're all done and when it's dark outside, we are going to come out and show you what the Christmas lights look like. We'll hopefully get the drone up so you can see all of the beautiful, beautiful lights. And Aaron took a little bit of a different approach with the lights this year.
It's not working.
It's not working?
Oh, it's on the timer.
Oh, I was like, no.
I plugged this into a line that's already in a timer.
Oh, so your approach has been...
Yeah, to put more stuff closer to the house. And so we haven't expanded as much this year. And we're trying to do more lights per tree, which I like it because we live in the house and we look outside the windows and there's more lights to look at. And we didn't go as far reaching this year.
Yeah.
Which I'm totally cool with, and I like the way it looks.
I do too. Yeah, it's definitely more impactful this year, being, kind of focused a little bit heavier in one area instead of spread out. I'm really enjoying it. But this is going to be an interesting experiment that Aaron wants to run. Because, do you want to explain what the approach is for this one?
All the things. This tree is going to be all the things. It's going to just have a bunch of different lights. It'll have big ones and little ones and multicolor and white and pure white and warm white and just everything.
I can't really picture what that's going to look like, but I think it's going to be festive. So we're starting with these little ball lights.
You know what? Actually, I'll put it on the screen. I think these are like G12 lights or G14 or...
How cute.
Maybe I'm totally wrong on that, but I've never used these before. And
today's the day.
Today's the day.
I'll show you the other things we have in the back of the golf cart here. This is is this specifically made for Christmas lights, Aaron?
Yeah, so I think what the deal is with these, you can get them, I ordered these on Amazon. You can get them in whatever size you need. This one goes up to 30 feet.
Whoa.
And these can be used both for like washing windows. I think they're kind of dual purpose for like, this is just a normal, like a mop head,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
It looks like just a normal, mop head deal. So you can put some kind of a cleaner if you've got windows to clean, or you can buy these extend reach. I don't know if...
So the lights can kind of rest in here and then,
they're awesome because like this is sort of a V shape and sometimes you can hook them just right with this. But yeah, so this is these are a lifesaver.
Well, they telescope, kind of like our Fiskars, whatever.
Yeah,
pole pruner.
it's like a pole pruner. But yeah, if you go all the way out, it goes like 30 feet. So.
Jeez. Well, that one definitely looks beefier. How tall does this one get?
Less. I'm not really sure.
I can tell.
Yeah.
4 telescopes versus 7.
But also this one is longer. So like the pole is longer and it telescopes less times.
Sure.
But so I don't think it's that much less, but it's a little less.
Then we've got extension cord. We've got I guess the start of some of the lights we're going to use. Are these some of them?
Yeah.
Not these.
Probably not these.
But like these, I think I used these on the blue spruces in front of the Persephone garden one year.
Yeah.
And these are the bright white, pure white?
Yeah.
Pure white lights?
In the camera, if it looks like the lights are flashing, they are not flashing in real life. It's just the way it's being recorded. So they're steady.
Sure. So we are going to wrap this tree about 100 times with different lights, and then you'll get to see it when it's dark outside, what it looks like. I'm looking forward to it. Here we go. I might need gloves. It's cold out today. So each color is going to have its own plug-in. And with these little, what do you call these? What are these called again, Aaron?
I think they're called G12.
Yeah. We were able to make
like
it all the way around and to the top.
With 15 strands, I think. Okay, we got to see how if these look good.
It's a really long strand. Oh no, it's more than one strand, Aaron. It's 2.
Nothing.
This strand's working though. Right here. I said it was more than one strand. I didn't realize it was 3 strands together. I was like, dang, that's the longest strand of lights I've ever seen.
All right, well.
This one's working though.
These were just sitting up in the...
Yeah. They've been up there for a lot of years.
So this one...
Well,
hold on. I don't want to necessarily use them.
Why?
If I only got like one working strand.
So you want to do a complete tree in any color that we have left?
Just about, yeah.
I thought he was going to willy-nilly this thing. I thought you were going to just plug in whatever light strand I handed you next and it was just going to be this great
Oh,
big
no.
mishmash of.
Because then I think it would look weird if you'd have certain colors at the top and certain ones at the bottom. But I kind of want the tree to, it's just all the things.
All the things, but a complete job of all the things.
Yeah.
All the way up and down and around the tree.
Yeah.
That makes a lot more sense than what I thought we were doing out here. The whole time I thought, oh, I don't know. I don't know about this. Okay, so we only have 4 strands of these big C9s. So 4 strands won't make it, will it?
Well, I mean, if we go sparse.
You can kind of like zigzag. That's not the one that works. This one works.
Oh.
So we need to test.
Do we have any more
fuses?
fuses?
We could probably steal some.
I like how the only bulbs so far that are not working are the Walmart ones. These are old Walmart lights.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to bring this whole tub over to Aaron.
Those are really dim. I don't think they're worth using.
Really?
Yeah. They also have like a flicker to them. Do you notice that?
All of them do to me.
Well, not these. These don't have a flicker to me at all. Those do. Freaking Walmart lights. It's like a curse word to me.
Well, let's just give these to somebody who wants them then.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We're done with these. I have to admit, Aaron, I was most excited about these lights.
Well, we might have more up there. I was just grabbing whatever looked like was just left, you know?
Sure. They say they're ultra bright, Aaron.
Yeah. They seem ultra dim. Maybe we can do the white next.
Pure
The
white? All right. Here we
Also,
go.
do you want to go drapey this time?
You know what? You're in charge of this experiment. You do what you want. I don't care. Would it look weird to have one style draped and the other not? Or no?
I have no idea.
Ooh, those are bright. Look at those. I do like a good drape.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, these kind of need to be
You may stretch them out.
pulled out, stretched, yeah.
Oh, that means I need to get with it. Screw it. Throw it into the tree. Oh, that one, Aaron, we didn't stretch.
Oh,
Yeah, that's why. I had plugged it in and I thought we would just stretch it once you got to the end.
can you imagine if you're out here doing this by yourself?
No. No, it's much better with 2 people.
The chickens.
Yeah. Broken free over there.
Okay, let's go.
I saw a reel today of people putting lights in a big old tree like this, but it was alone, like in a yard. And they just had someone in the bed of a truck, and they just drove around and around. Aaron, you could probably call it here. It's so pretty. I mean, it's not even dark yet.
No, it needs some more though.
Some big bulbs.
Some big bulbs, if we can find some.
Okay, we're gonna head to the loft, see what we can find up there. I know we've got some colors, Aaron. There's like some pink up there
Yeah,
and such. Do you want to do any of those?
sure. I kind of like the drapey effect.
I do too. Oh, I'm excited to see it tonight.
Extension cords, extension cords, extension cords. Okay, we've got
Pink?
pink. We should do some pink.
Okay. I do like the pink ones.
I wonder if we have any more teal left. Here's more pink, but this is the M5 pink.
What's the difference?
It's just like a different,
Oh, a different style bulb. Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are longer and these are shorter bulbs.
Yeah.
Those are icicles.
Icicle. There's so many extension cords.
Yeah, there's lots of extension cords.
More. What in the world? Why do we have so many?
Well, probably from all the other lights we used to run out so far. I think those are my decorating tubs there, Aaron.
Okay, so we don't have nearly as many as I thought.
Well, we can throw some pink up in there.
Some like pink and...
There's yellow and orange. I saw those. Not a huge fan
I don't
of the
love,
orange.
yeah, they both don't look great to me. Okay, so we've got pink, yellow.
Green, there's some green.
Oh, we could throw some green in there.
I don't know how many strands there are.
There's some more multicolored, but we already have multicolored on there.
There's 1, 2, there's probably 5 strands in here.
Oh, we could throw them up there.
Okay.
Thing is, I really wanted some big bulbs up there.
Do we have any down at the warehouse, or can we build any?
Yeah, we could. Here, let me just grab another handful.
Well, I think this is great. This will be good.
You want to go buy some big bulb lights?
Well, I don't know. Do we want to buy any more Christmas stuff?
I don't know.
We need to start buying Christmas presents, Aaron. Oh, those are bright.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. They're like hot pink. Green next?
Well, there's already green.
Yeah.
I feel like there needs to be big lights.
Like big multis?
Yeah.
That would be pretty. We could call it though. It's really nice.
I know.
Do you have enough bulbs?
Like it could be better.
Do we have enough bulbs to create some strands?
No. We've got some extra yellow that I don't like. We have orange, which I don't like.
We need to get rid of those, Aaron.
Yeah. We'll just find a new home.
Yep.
I wish we had teal. We've got some at the warehouse.
Oh.
I could...
I don't know, Aaron. There's already blue on there.
But there's no teal. Teal is very different from blue.
I know, but
blue
the
is a
teal
lot darker.
and the pink and the crystally white, it's a lot of cool.
I don't want to put red on there because there's already red. I really was hoping to have some big bulb lights and some little lights. I'm super bummed that we're out of big bulbs.
Well, what's the solution?
We go get some big bulb lights.
Like at Home Depot?
Or at the warehouse.
Do they have them at the warehouse?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh. Okay, well that's on you. I'm
gonna go cook up some pizzas while I...
Yeah, I can make up the pizzas and then we can come back out.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, we got pizza for dinner.
I knew that's something. I'm always excited for when dinner comes. It's like, oh, what are we going to have?
What did we have last night?
We had lots of seafood.
Yeah, what kind of seafood?
We had some shrimp and some king crab.
Yeah, we did. Mm-hmm.
And I love the king crab. Like, you put this in its sauce and then you eat the meat. I'm like, oh, it's so good.
It is, isn't it? You're heading?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll go start dinner. Okay, guys, we're going to take a brief break and then we'll be back out to finish the big bulbs. It'll be dark by then, I'm sure. Okay, Aaron is back with the lights. We had dinner. What do you think of those?
Okay, so I just went down to the little corner store, like down the street, and these were like $7. And I think there's a reason.
Why?
They look super dim to me.
Can you hold them up next to this most glorious of trees? Look at this, you guys.
Doesn't this look...
It turned out so pretty.
I feel like these just won't even show up.
Well, Benjamin, would you mind scooting to the side real quick so we can take a full-on look? You love it? Me too.
They
Okay,
look really dim to me.
can you hold them up a little bit?
Do you even really notice them?
Well, I mean, there's a lot going on this tree. I don't think that they're a complete loss, Aaron.
Well, I don't know. I don't think they add enough. I'd rather just take them back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think so. Because there's so much light going on already.
There is, yeah. It is beautiful. And it looked beautiful and sparkly from the house as well. Well, you tried.
I think it's fine without them.
I do too. I think we should do this look in other places.
Oh, yeah.
Here's a bit of a backed up look. It glows,
Yeah.
that's for sure. Douglas loves Aaron. Look at him. He's rubbing all over his legs. Oh, I love it. I think it's perfect. All right, guys, I think that that's going to be it for our lights. And I don't think we're going to walk you around necessarily and like talk through the lights because the lights speak for themselves. So we're just going to get some really pretty video footage and drone footage of what the lights look like. And I hope you guys enjoy. Hope you're having a great Christmas season thus far. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.